we're going to study mean absolute deviation, which is part of measure of dispersion. Now, from the definition, you can see it's written. It's a way of describing how spread out a set of data is. When a data set has a large value, the value in the set they are widely scattered. When it is small, the area in the set they are tightly clustered. In layman's language, you can say dispersion is scatteredness, or you can say the degree to which the numerical data tends to spread around an average value. There are various methods to calculate dispersion. These following are the important ones: range, interquartile range, mean deviation, which is also called average deviation, and standard deviation. We're going to discuss about mean deviation. Mean deviation measures deviation from a value. Value is generally mean or median, although the median deviation about the mode can be calculated. Mean deviation about mean and median, they are frequently used. Let's see an example on Excel. Now we are seeing here continuous series. This is the low range, this is the high range, here's the frequency, and this is the mid value, which you can also call x, and this is the fx. Fx is this thing f into the mid value. The value of the mid value you can find out by adding low plus high and dividing that by 2. Here's the formula written. So first we have to find the mean. Mean is equals to summation of fx divided by f. Here's the summation of f. We have to find the summation of fx. Fx is equals to, which is fx is f into x, which is coming 45. Let's find summation. Now what is the mode of x minus x? This x here, it is the mean. We're going to subtract the mid value, each mid value, with this one mean. You also have to fix this with dollar sign. I've selected the wrong one. Use the x. Now we have to multiply this thing by the f. Here we are finding the mean deviation, which is summation of this value divided by summation of this f, which is 47. The value is coming 17.18, which means the mean deviation of this given data is 17.18. It's scattered around this radius. Now let's look at the merits of mean absolute deviation. As you can see, it's written, is based on all the observation it's less affected by extreme values, and it is easy to calculate and understand. Now, the demerits, most important. While taking deviation from average, algebraic signs they are ignored, and this makes this method non algebraic. What does it mean to say is when the negative sign of the mean that ignored, which can create a big problem when you're finding data in which the data cannot have negative figures like money. And the second point is it is not satisfactory for skewed distribution. That was from my side. What is mean absolute deviation? My name is Mayank. Thank you very much.